So in this short video we're going to be showing how to correct a bad solder joint. You can see here we've got bridging across multiple connections. We have some that just have a bad solder joint, cold joint. So really the best way to do this is to use your solder wick, but before we do that, what we will end up doing, we're just going to apply a little bit of flux to these, to this mistake, right? And what that's going to allow us to do is reflow the solder a lot easier. So when we heat up with our wick, it's gonna make the solder, allow the solder to be drawn out a whole lot easier. So we've got that. Here's our solder wick, and we're just gonna lay it across kind of one side and just start kind of moving our way down. So let's just go there, and as you can see, the flex just helps to get that solder pulled out, right? So we got that. We got this last little bit to get. So let's get that guy. And there it is. So obviously we're going to inspect the board, make sure that all the solder is completely off. We'll clean the connections, make sure the connections are still capable of taking solder. We'll reflux after we clean, and then we'll apply new solder to each joint, inspect, and that should fix it. But this is how to remove a bad solder joint with the solder wick.